everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a linen closet declutter and organization video. So in this video, I'm going to take you guys with me and share with you guys how I decluttered and organized that space. If you guys have been watching my recent videos, you guys know I'm kind of on a decluttering streak right now. I'm totally inspired by Marie Kondo, and I'm just trying to Marie Kondo every single area of our house. So my next project was my linen closet, and I will link down below other areas in the house that I've also decluttered and organized in the description box down below. So I hope you guys are excited for this video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula. I make videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So I hope that you'll hit that red subscribe button down below, and then you'll hit that notification bell. That way you are notified on when I post next. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So to give you guys a little bit of background with this closet, it's basically a closet we have in the house that is technically our linen closet, but I've never used it for linens, and I'm actually not even gonna use it for linens now. So it basically was a closet that stored all of my candles. It was my candle closet, and I love candles. If you guys know me, you know that. And I love when Bath & Body Works does like their candle day every year, and I usually stock up on those days. So I have a lot of candles that I go throughout the year. So I basically was keeping all of them in that closet, but I actually didn't want to do that anymore because it was kind of taking up space where I could store other things. So what I ended up doing was just clearing out the whole closet. I took out all the candles and I sorted them out. So I sorted the ones that I wanted to keep, then I separated the ones that I wanted to donate, and then the other ones that were just kind of like no good at all, especially like the empty candle jars, which I thought about cleaning out and just reusing for something, which I have done in the past, but honestly, I didn't need all those candle jars, so I got rid of those as well. So basically cleaned it all out, and I was left with a fresh slate. A couple of things I knew I wanted to store in that closet were towels, toilet paper, extra toiletries, and also some of my candles. So as you'll see in this video, I basically redid that whole closet, and I bought some containers, which I showed in my last video, which was a home decor haul video that I'll link down below so you guys can see. But basically I bought a lot of just organizational pieces, bins and baskets that I could use to organize it. I'm just gonna share with you guys the process and take you guys with me and show you guys how I organized it.
Okay, so this is what our linen closet looks like right now. As you can see, it basically just holds our candle stash and just like random things. So at the top, I just have some empty frames and vases, and down here I have like my smaller candles, and I have like my larger candles and little soap dispensers and just like knickknacks. So what I'm probably gonna do first is go ahead and just clear this whole thing out that I actually want in this closet in here. So what I'm gonna do is just clear this whole thing out and just find a new home for the candles. I'm also gonna go through them and see which ones I still want to keep, which ones I don't, and declutter those, and then clean it out. And then I'm gonna try to decide on a layout. So I bought some of these containers here to help organize some stuff. Okay, so this is what the closet looks like completely cleaned out. So it kind of gives me an idea of what I'm working with. Okay, so as far as my candles, I just finished going through all of them and figuring out which ones I wanted to donate and which ones I just wanted to get rid of. So these are the ones that I'm planning to keep. I know it's still a lot, but it's definitely not as much as I used to have. So I'm gonna just keep these two in these little bins here. Here are all the candles I'm going to be giving away. And then these are just like the empty containers and jars that I'm gonna get rid of. So these I'm planning to actually put up at the very top over here. So that's where those two baskets are gonna go, and that'll take care of my candles.
So I bought this basket at Marshall's, and I'm actually gonna be using this for my surplus towels. So towels that are just funky colors and things that don't go with the whole aesthetic of the actual closet. So I'm sticking with whites, grays, and wickers. So anything else, I'm just gonna stick it in here, and I think I'm just gonna place it right here in the middle down here. I think that's just gonna tie the whole closet together. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and roll up those towels and put them in here. As far as the rest of my towels, I'm just gonna keep the white towels out here, and I just folded them all, and I'm actually gonna put them on one of the shelves. And then at the very bottom shelf, I wanna keep like the big wicker basket, which I'm gonna put all of our toilet paper. That way it's just easy to grab and go. Since it is a big basket, I think it's gonna look good at the very bottom shelf. So for the next shelf, I'm gonna be using this basket to organize all of our hand towels. So I'm just gonna roll them up and stick them in here, and I think it'll look good even if they're not all the white ones. I think mixing in some of the mint ones will be fine because this basket's kind of tall, so you really can't see it. So I got this basket at Marshall's, and I think that's what I'm gonna do there. And then I'm also gonna put the little wicker basket right next to it. Okay, so I also got this little basket at Marshall's, and I love it so much because it has a lid. So I'm going to be using this basket to store any extra supplies. So I'm thinking hand soaps, my little wallflowers, maybe some hand lotions. It's just anything that I have extra of that's small. I'm thinking of just sticking it in here. I love how it turned out, and I think the last thing I have now is just my candles. So with the candles, since I already separated them out, I'm just gonna go ahead and put both of the bits up there. And I found this cute little frame at Marshall's that says "Love one another as I have loved you," and I like the look of it, so I'm gonna stick this between the two baskets and separate them. Alright, so that is the finished look. I really love how it turned out. I like that everything has its place and everything looks very organized. I think that's basically how I'm going to keep it. I think it's perfect, so I'm going to give you guys a close-up of what it looks like.
Okay, so here is a close-up of what the finished closet looks like. I am so in love. I love how everything looks nice and neat and everything matches. So down here, like I mentioned, I have my extra towels that I just rolled up and kept them kind of in a high basket so you can't really see them from far away. The next wicker basket here just has extra toilet paper. Then I kept all of our white towels out. I just love white towels. I think they look fresh and clean, so I like having those out handy. I added this cute little plant because I think it brings some color into the closet. Then the next shelf here, I have two baskets. I have a metal basket and then the wicker basket. The metal basket, I just rolled up all of those hand towels and put them in there. Then in this basket, I have just extra supplies like hand soap and lotions and things like that I showed you guys. And then I love how this cute little frame looks here. It's just adorable. And at the very top, I kept my extra candles. So basically I went from having a closet full of candles to just having 2 bins of candles, which is awesome in my opinion, and everything else just looks so good.
So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope it inspired you to declutter and organize some space in your home. If you guys like these type of videos, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. That way I know to make more. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.